60 fascinating facts about your body you probably didn't know about. Your body is truly fascinating, with mind-blowing mechanisms that can make you see yourself in a whole new light. In today's video, you will get to know the astonishing things your body is capable of and how special everyone is thanks to the body's superpowers. From being able to digest razor blades and powering up light bulbs to having the ability to distinguish between millions of scents and colors, your body is our hero today. We promise you a thrilling fact every second of the video. Welcome to InfoJunkie TV, the place where you'll find answers to so many of your questions, Infomaniacs. We hope you like this new video we've created especially for you. We know how it feels to need your curiosity satisfied about something, so that's exactly why we're here. So buckle up. For today's video, we'll leave you astonished by abilities of your body that you didn't know of before. We can't wait till you learn about the capacity that your senses have, things you usually take for granted and that would change the way you see yourself forever. Listen to this. Did you know that your stomach has the power to dissolve razor blades? The acids in your stomachs can literally help dissolve the blades, but please don't try this at home. If you thought that was crazy, wait till you know about the hidden abilities of your senses at the end of the video. Did you know that your cheeks aren't the only part of your body that turns red when you're shy or embarrassed? But don't worry, this part won't give you away, because surprisingly again, it's your stomach. Your stomach also turns red because when you get an adrenaline rush, it dilates the blood vessels, making the lining of your stomach turn red. Your digestive system is amazing. Even if you stand on your head, the food will still travel down your stomach. Let's move to the heart. A heart of a female beats quicker than a male's. So yes, it's scientifically proven that a woman's heart beats faster than a man's. Explains so much, right? Not only do women's hearts beat faster, their eyes blink twice as much as men. But all of our hearts will pump a grand total amount of 182 million liters of blood in an average lifetime. Hiccups can last a very long time. How long, you may wonder? Well, Charles Osborne holds the record for a total of 68 years. And you thought an hour of hiccups is traumatizing. If you struggle to remember your dreams, that's perfectly normal because most of us forget 90% of our dreams. Around 50,000 cells in your body die every 3 to 4 seconds. But don't worry, they're instantly replaced by new ones. Children do grow faster in the spring. It explains why your relatives are always amazed to see how much you have grown. Now, let's look at the skeleton. The human skeleton is a true masterpiece on its own. Every 10 years, it repairs and renews itself, which means you have different bones than the ones you had 10 years ago. Your bones aren't as strong as steel. They're actually 5 times stronger than that, even though they have 31% of water in their structure. This is why when they break, they hurt so much. You use 200 muscles with every step you take. The largest muscle in your body is the gluteus maximus, a muscle of the hip, while the strongest one is the masseter, aka the jaw muscle. Your eyelids have the fastest moving muscles. And there are no muscles in your fingertips. The muscles in your palm and forearm are what allows you to move your hands. The little finger on your hand, despite how small it is responsible for 50% of your hand strength. Losing it would make a huge difference. Stunned by what your body can do? Here are some things it can't do, but again, for your own sake. You can't sneeze with your eyes open. Don't try to prove otherwise, as they were meant to close in order to be protected by germs. You also can't breathe and swallow at the same time. We know you're an infomaniac, just don't try this out because you might choke. See how your body is constantly protecting you? Wait until you hear what each body part is capable of. Do you ever feel taller in the morning? Well, that's because you really are. When you're lying in bed, your spine isn't affected by the pressure of your body weight, so the intervertebral discs relax and stretch. By the age of 60, the average person loses half their taste buds. So if you're a picky eater, you probably wouldn't give it much thought when you get older. Your hair grows twice its rate when you're flying in an airplane. Crazy, right? You probably noticed needing a haircut after having traveled a lot. You burn calories during your sleep, which gives you more reason to extend your nap time. It doesn't matter how many showers you take per day, there will still be around 32 million bacteria on your body. Calm your OCD down because most of them are harmless. Most of them, but not all. The bacteria living in the sweaty areas are what causes the nasty odor on your armpits. Yeah, we're sorry about this one. Did you know that a few people have the ability to hear their eyeballs moving around in their head? If you're one of those people, that's a perfectly normal superpower. And if you don't, you're lucky. It sounds insane. Ever wonder how you lose the fat of your body? Well, most of the fat burned leaves your body through your mouth as carbon dioxide. The fastest growing hair in our bodies is facial hair. Speaking of hair, blondes have more hair than brunettes, as they have around 146,000 hair follicles, while those with darker hair have only 100,000 hair follicles. Also, men's hair is twice as coarse as women's hair. That's why females tend to have softer hair than men. It's because the diameter is about half as large. And your hair can withstand cold, water, many kinds of acids, and chemicals, which makes it quite indestructible. As essential and important as all of your body parts are, did you know you could still survive without your stomach, spleen, one lung, appendix, and a kidney? Ever wondered why snoring is something that's not taken lightly? It's because the sound of a snore can reach up to 80 decibels, which is the equivalent of the volume of a jackhammer. We have all tried at some point to tickle ourselves, and we all failed miserably. That's because it's impossible despite how ticklish you are, because your brain processes it differently this time since you're expecting it. Let's talk a bit about the power of your eyes. The best camera in the world has 200 megapixels. Do you know how many pixels your eyes would have if they were a camera? 567 megapixels. Your eyes can breathe. The cornea doesn't have any blood vessels, so it gets its oxygen directly from the air. Blue-eyed people have a higher tolerance for alcohol, and people with colored eyes in general have a higher pain tolerance. You get 70,000 thoughts in a day. We're not sure if this includes overthinkers as well. How many do you think you get? Your ears produce more earwax when you're afraid or terrified. Never underestimate the power of your brain to store and hold information, as the human brain can store billions of pieces of information, which means you practically have no excuse for not passing that test. But don't worry, you are at your smartest in the late 40s. It is the age when the brain is at its peak, so you still have time to get smarter. 50% of your genes were used to develop your brain. The other 50% are used for the rest of your body. Both your nose and ears will continue to grow, so people who complain about their nose, you might as well start getting used to it. Your sense of smell doesn't function during your sleep, and your sense of hearing is linked to how much you eat. So if you eat too much, you won't be able to hear well. But that's not so bad, compared to some people who have a condition called phonoagnosia, in which they aren't capable of recognizing different voices. Around 3% of people are born with this condition. Ever wondered why you cut your fingernails more often than your toenails? That's because they grow faster because they're exposed to the sun more, which stimulates their growth. If we were to stretch out our blood vessels into a single line, it would wrap the entire Earth, not once, but more than twice. You need no highlights to get that glow, because humans can really glow in the dark. We just don't see the glimmer, as it's extremely dim. Stress causes around 90% of illness and disease, so go easy on yourself and your body. Work on lowering the stress levels and get rid of anything or anyone who causes you anxiety. Remember, mental health really comes first. Also, you use 43 muscles to form a frown when you only use 17 to smile, so you do the math and smile more. Music really helps in lowering your blood pressure and heart rate. Some hospitals even play music to help slow down the heart rate of patients. Now, we bet you didn't know about the immense capacity of your senses and your brain. Your nose has the amazing power of remembering about 50,000 different scents, and your eyes can distinguish between 10 million colors. If you're wondering just how powerful your brain is, well, it generates enough electricity to power up a light bulb. Your brain has around 100 billion neurons, almost the same number of the stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Your nostrils take shifts every few hours, meaning you breathe in and out from one nostril. Your fingerprints aren't the only thing that's unique about you. Your tongue print and scent are also one of a kind. Only identical twins have the same scent. So many facts you didn't know about, right? The amazing part is that there is still more to the human body. This incredible body gives us so much to think about. It's time for a quick recap on some of the simple yet fascinating facts you have learned in today's video. You learned how each part of your body works in a magical way, and all parts work together in harmony. Your nose has the amazing power of remembering around 50,000 different scents, while your eyes can distinguish between 10 million colors. And your brain has around 100 billion neurons, almost the same number of the stars in the Milky Way galaxy. The body works in mysterious ways that you probably never heard of. Like, why would our tummies blush? How is it possible for our eyes to breathe? How can our hair withstand so much? It's just amazing to know that we control such a heroic body, capable of so much. And don't forget how unique each body is, as your fingerprints aren't the only unique thing about you. Your tongue print and scent are also one of a kind. You Infomaniacs are one of a kind. Thank you, Infomaniacs, for tuning in and watching our video. If you found it interesting, make sure to subscribe to our channel, InfoJunkie TV, and turn on the notification bell for more mind-blowing topics that are yet to come your way. Don't forget to leave a comment below and tell us which fact blew your mind the most, and if you know more, share your knowledge with us. Stay safe, Infomaniacs, and we'll see you real soon.